What's up, Fragrance family? Thanks for joining in. This is Gaurav from Splash Fragrance India, back with another fragrance review. I'm really sorry, guys, that I could not be active on YouTube for quite past a month. Now that we are back in action, let's talk about this beautiful fragrance by the house of Frank Boclet. It's called as Cocaine, which comes from the series called as Rock and Riot. Moving further, let me just show you the bottle presentation. The fragrance comes in a beautiful heavy box. The box has a texture. If you can have a brief look, this one has a metal label saying the brand name. The box opens up in a very beautiful manner. On the bottom of the box, I would say it has the details mentioned about the fragrance, the company which is manufacturing it, and the other informations like ingredients and what is the concentration, the size and everything. Moving further, let me show you the beautiful bottle. I find the presentation to be quite good. The texture is very good. And taking the step further, the fragrance we have in our hand looks very opulent, very unique in its style, very unique in design. This fragrance, Frank Boclet Cocaine, is a beautiful aromatic fragrance which comes under the genre of tobacco laced with tuberose blended with caramel. Going by the Fragrantica, here are the notes. It has white florals, it has berries, it has orange, it has vanilla, it has lily, it has so many things going on which makes the fragrance very special. The bottle is almost opaque, blackish bottle with the details about the concentration on the bottom of the bottle. It is extractive perfine concentration, which means it's gonna last more, it's gonna project more, and also this fragrance would be having a lot of depth. Guys, this fragrance has 40% of the oil concentration. I'm surprised because in today's world there are hardly any perfumes which have this such heavy oil concentration. So guys, I am sure that you must be knowing about the other oil concentrations like EDT, EDP, Parfum, Cologne and other things. So this one is the purest form of perfume with 40% of the oil concentration, making the fragrance last more and in some cases project more. Talking about the scent profile, let me do the spray. The bottle is quite heavy, guys, so you should definitely use it in moderation. If you can have a look, this fragrance has a very wide distribution of fragrance. At the initial, I would say this is not something very unique to my nose. This has a lot of floral. I am getting a lot of tuberose. The tobacco in it is very woodsy in nature. It is not a very harsh tobacco, and that sweet vibe is coming from the caramel note. Very edible sort of feel it is giving. Now that the fragrance has settled for a minute, I would say this fragrance is giving a very good appeal, at least to me, because generally tuberose based fragrances are not at all worn by men because it gives a very feminine sort of vibe. But guys, this one has a very unisex sort of vibe and any men can easily pull it off, and people who love some shining sort of tuberose fragrances, they'll definitely go gaga about this one. This fragrance, I would say, is a very spectacular scent with a very majestic profile. Generally tuberose based scents go very boring and very monotonous, but this one, wow, now that the transition is happening, I'm actually enjoying it. This is giving me a very green sort of tuberose vibe. It is very grassy, I would say. The tobacco note has gone as an undertone. I'm getting a lot of white florals. I'm getting a lot of tuberose still. This is beautiful, guys. This is a very gorgeous scent, and if you go by the name Cocaine, it is actually addictive, as the name says. This fragrance, I would say, for the price point of 18,000 rupees for 100 ml is actually worth having in your collection if you are a niche fragrance lover, because this is something unique in the bottle. Generally, niche fragrances, we know that they are unique in nature, the way they smell, the way they are made, or the way they are made in the limited quantities. But this fragrance, I would say, is unique in its own way because I feel that florals are not for men because that has been made as a criteria that women wear floral fragrances, but with this it stands out on the men floral fragrances, guys. So this is something you can definitely try. If you are not willing to burn a hole in your pocket, go for a decant, 5 ml, 10 ml, and you're good to go, guys. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you love this video, and please, if you like this video, do consider liking and subscribing to my channel, because the more you subscribe, the more I'll get power to create better videos. I'll get a lot of support from you guys, and also do drop in the comments about any fragrance you have tried from this brand, Frank Moclet, and let's have a quick chit chat session in the next time. Thank you so much, guys. That's it for now. Take care. Signing off.